Well, first off, you gonna run the song?
I don't care either way.
Let me flip a coin. Oh, why would I have a coin, dude? Damn it. Don't forget about the banana. Never forget about the banana. Bro. Bro, what you see is what you get with me. That's what I'm worried about. I'm the real deal. Hey, bro, berry crunch. Hey, bro, berry.
Alright.
Hey, Birmingham. Hey, Birmingham, out. God.
You gotta have jean shorts on.
You're gonna see how responsible I am.
I know. You're gonna get a funny message when this is over.
Probably. There's a lot of typing going on. Hey, bro. I need to borrow your tree. I touched you. Can you play back? Oh, I don't play back.
No, but I did just send you a message.
Bradley, you didn't.
So you're I sad.
I'm sad.
You're sucking rather not cool face. Lick a tell them all right. Ho back.
This is spelled.
Yeah. Floozy bag. No Grand Prix. Have your such an epic.
Have you such an epic.
Oh man, that's good stuff. And then it says ... my other job.
Question mark?
Oh man, wait, nope. I said that to somebody else.